How to redeem a code on Steam. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you redeem a code on your Steam account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your Steam, as you can also open it by using your browser, or you can also open the application directly from your laptop or PC. Alright, so after you open the browser, you'll have to type for Steam redeem code. Alright, so after you search it, you'll be able to find options like redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So simply click on this option. Alright, so from this interface you can easily manually add the Steam wallet code from here, and after you enter the code from here, you can easily click on this option continue, and from there make sure that you are logged in with your Steam account on this interface. So from here you'll have to just log in with your account, and from there you can easily get or redeem your code on your Steam account. Although you can also directly redeem from your directly application on your PC or laptop, and after you open the application on your PC or laptop, you'll get options like redeem. At the top left corner you'll have to go the option game, and now from here you'll have to just go the option redeem a code, and from there you can also redeem a code on your Steam account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.